Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili sauce at home without vinegar. Start by preparing all ingredients and sterilizing jars for storage to ensure safety. Roast chilies, tomatoes, and garlic until charred, then peel and chop roughly. Simmer the roasted mix with water, sugar, salt, and spices until flavors meld and texture thickens. Finish by adding lemon juice for acidity, blend to desired smoothness, and jar warm for best shelf life. Begin by charring peppers, tomatoes, and garlic on a hot pan or under a broiler for smoky notes. Chop the roasted vegetables and transfer them to a saucepan with measured water, sugar, salt, and spices like cumin or smoked paprika. Simmer gently until the mixture reduces and flavors concentrate. Carefully blend to a smooth or chunky texture, then taste and add fresh lemon juice to balance acidity before bottling. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated while you cook, has a leak-proof lid and convenient carry handle for busy kitchens. It fits in most cup holders and makes staying refreshed effortless during long prep sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Always sterilize jars and lids by boiling them for at least 10 minutes to reduce contamination risk. Fill jars while the sauce is hot, seal tightly, and allow them to cool upright on a towel to create a vacuum seal. Store finished jars in the refrigerator and consume within several weeks for optimal quality. If you prefer longer storage, freeze small portions or process jars in a hot water bath following safe canning guidelines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.